Hello students, in this video I am going to teach you how to implement a boolean function using a scale down multiplexer. Okay students, if we want to implement a 4 variable function, then in normal multiplexer we have to make 8 into 1 multiplexer. In normal case, if we have 4 variables function, in normal mux multiplexer, we will use 8 into 1 multiplexer. But in scale down multiplexer, we can implement a 4 variable boolean function using 4:1 multiplexer. Okay students, same as for 3 variables. If we are using a multiplexer, we will have to make a multiplexer of 4:1 normal multiplexer. But in scale down multiplexer, we can implement this by using a 2 into 1 multiplexer. So in this video I am going to discuss with the help of an example how you can implement a boolean function using a scale down multiplexer. So this is the advantage of, or you can say difference between multiplexer and scale down multiplexer. Now we will see how we can implement with the help of an example. Okay, so here I have taken an example of 4 variables function. Okay, so this is our function. Now first you have to write it in SOP form. So 3 0 0 1 1. So 0 0 1 1 we will write A bar, B bar, C, D. Next is 4 will be 0 1 0 0. So how we will write it? A bar, B, C bar, D bar. We have already discussed about these things. If you have any doubt, you can go through the link and check the videos. Plus next is 6 and 6 will be, so we will write A bar, B, C, D bar, plus 9 will be 1 0 0 1. So we will write it A, B bar, C bar, D, plus 10 will be 1 0 1 0. This is your rough work. Okay, A, B bar, C, D bar. Next is 11 will be 1 0 1 1. So we will write it A, B bar, C, D. Next term is 13. So how we will write 13? 1 1 0 1. A, B, C bar, D. And the last one is the 14, and 14 will be 1 1 1 0. A, B, C, D bar. Okay students, now here what you have to do, you have to take common any 2 variable. Here I am taking AB, but you can take any 2. So I am taking here AB. So what you have to do, you have to take out the terms which have AB. Here AB means, here A bar, B bar is common, CD. Now next term that will take common is A bar, B. So C bar, D bar, C bar, D bar, plus A bar, B is common, C, D bar, plus next AB bar, common, C bar D plus CD bar plus CD. So these three terms have the AB bar common, and the last one is AB. C bar D plus CD bar. So in all kind of questions you have to do this. You have to take, if you are choosing AB, then first you have to take common A bar B bar, then A bar B, then AB bar, and at last AB. So these four terms you will take common, and rest other things you will write in parentheses. Now the next step that we have to do is we have to solve these, which is written in parentheses. We have to solve this, we have to minimize these. Okay, let's move. A bar B, this is already minimized, so I write it only CD, plus A bar B. D bar is common, so what is left? C bar plus C, plus A B bar. So you can see this and this. In both of these terms I can take C bar D plus, in these two terms I can take C common, D bar plus D plus AB. There is nothing common, this is simply a XOR gate. We can implement this using a XOR gate. Remember, this is for XOR gate. C bar D plus C D bar. Okay, let's solve it. A bar B bar C D plus A bar B D bar. Since C bar plus C is 1 and 1 into D bar is D bar, so only D bar is left here, plus A B bar C bar D plus, here also D plus D bar is 1, 1 plus C is 1 into C is C, so it is only C, plus AB C bar D plus CD bar. A bar B CD plus A bar B D bar plus. Here we can apply the third distributive law. Okay, so apply A B bar. When you apply third distributive law, it will be C plus D plus AB C bar D plus CD bar. So this is the final expression that we get after solving. Now we have to implement it using a multiplexer. Okay, I am making a multiplexer and I will implement this. So let's create a multiplexer. Okay, so we have the 4 variable function A, B, C and D. So for scale down multiplexer, it will be a 4 into 1 multiplexer. So when we make the scale down multiplexer, the two variables that we take out will work as a selection line. So this A and B will work as a selection line. Okay students, and now for these CD, D, C plus D, CD plus CD bar, C bar D plus CD bar, these we have to take as input. And how we will take it as input? See first CD. With the help of AND operator, this is CD. Okay. This is I0. Next input is D bar. So next input is D bar. So this will be the I1. Next input is C plus D. This will be I2. C plus D. C, this is D. And the next is C bar D plus CD bar. This is XOR gate of CD. CD. So this will be the I3. And this is your F. So this is how we can implement using scale down method. Okay students, now one more thing you have to remember. Sometime it may be given that use scale down multiplexer for this function. Okay, or sometimes it is not given that you have to use scale down multiplexer, but the question is use 4x1 multiplexer to implement this function. Use 4x1 multiplexer to use this to implement this function. So if it is a normal multiplexer, we have to use for 4 variables, we have to use 8x1 multiplexer, but we have to implement this using 4x1 multiplexer. So it is clear that we have to make here scale down multiplexer. Okay students, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends. Thank you. Jai Hind.